Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add glitch effects to your video on CapCut. So here I've already added a clip to my CapCut, and to easily add the glitch effect, you can find it on the video effects. So here just swipe until you find the glitch category. And here there will be a bunch of glitch effect that you can add to your clips. So for example, there is this jump glitch. It will go like this, or this horizontal glitch. Okay, so there are also lots of other options that you can choose, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs or your video the best. And after that, you can just click on the check icon, or you can also adjust the effect more. Okay, so that's all from me. That's how you can add glitch effects to your clip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Bye bye.